Now begins the video tour of our Quilt Show booth. It is ready to go. We are ready for people tomorrow at the Ozark Piecemakers Quilt Show. We are in the E Plex of the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds, and I have a 40-foot booth full of fabulous quilting merch. And so I can't wait to see everybody the next 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We are going to be here 9 to 5 Thursday and Friday, and 9 to 4 on Saturday. We've got some new kits that just are for this show. This is one of them. It's called Vintage Flora. Just look at cute little watering cans. Super cute kit. This is also brand new. It's called Picnic and Nixa. Very cute. We've got a couple other quilts that are brand new just for the show. This is one of them. This is called Lori's Kitchen with Lori Holt fabrics, made with the Brightly pattern. And then we've got this new Christmas one down here. And this new Christmas quilt's absolutely beautiful. It's made with the brand new Christmas Greetings fabric by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So it's a kit that we have here at the show. We only have 5 of them. We'll be getting more, but right now this is a kit you don't want to miss. And of course we've got our cute little mummy on the wall. We've got tons of great fat quarter bundles and pre-cuts and all kinds of everything in our booth. We also have our 1-yard rolls. They are $7 each, 3 for $19, 6 for $36. So the more you buy, the cheaper they get. Our fat quarters, we've got tubs and tubs of fat quarters. The individual fat quarters are $3 each. Buy 12, get 1 free. And then we've got all around here, we're going to go and take a look at our t-shirts and hoodies. And during the show, they are regular price, but if you buy 2 mix and match t-shirts, hoodies, you can get 20% off 2 items. So if you've been wanting to get one of our t-shirts, we have our green one, we have our quilty bouquet, we've got a teal one, we've got our long sleeve gray, we've got our purple hoodie, we've got an aqua hoodie, and then the blue and the pink, and the aqua is not hung yet because I'm still need to bring more safety pins. But our booth has got really cute quilt kits on great pricing, and we've got thread and notions and all kinds of goodies, and we've got a bunch of patterns, and several of our patterns are 35% off. So we've got a ton of stuff. You need to come out to the fairgrounds and shop with us. This is Diane. I cannot wait to see you at the Quilt Show.